In earlier videos, we talked about your clients potentially uploading content into Caplinked and using it as a secure encrypted conduit for receiving large volumes of files. In other examples, you may receive that content outside of Caplinked via FTP or perhaps on an encrypted thumb drive. This means that you need to use that data outside of Caplinked and put it into proper folders perhaps, or upload it directly into folders that are built into Caplinked. So in this example, we would have to start creating our parent folder structures because we can't simply drag folders and files into the platform and drop them here. So I've got 16 folders that would be populated with content, and what I would do is just go through the process of creating those 16 folders before I start populating each of them. In that example, I would create a folder, and I'll call this one Capital Stock Files, and create. Now I've got the blue button above, and I'd continue through this process, creating the next folder, Corporate Records. And I would carry on. I prefer doing things in order, so I would produce all 16 of my parent folders initially and then populate them. So let's just look at the top two that I have right now. I've got my Capital Stock Files folder, and if I click into it, it's obviously empty. So at this point, I've got a File Explorer off screen, and what I want to do is take my Capital Stock files that have already been dropped into this folder I've prepared, and they're ready to be pulled into Caplinked. So I would click into this folder, and now click the Upload button here, and this is going to allow me to drag and drop those files into Caplinked. So I'll highlight the top one, and on a PC, hold the Shift key, click the bottom one, and this selects all of those items. I'll pull them over, release, and let them upload. That step's complete. So now I can go back out to my All Files view, and I would go through the same process with the corporate records. And again, let's assume that we've got all 16 of our folders here. We'd follow those exact same steps. However, I may have prepared everything and it's ready to drag in all at once outside of the platform. So what I'll do is I'll delete these and we'll start fresh again. So let me delete, typing the word delete here in all caps, and confirm that deletion. Now I can pull in all of those files, going back out to my files at the level. I'll create a new folder, upload, create. This creates one parent folder that I can now upload into. As I enter it, it's obviously empty, and here I'll take all of my subfolders and I'll be able to drag those in. So I'll click the upload button. I'll highlight the top item, again with a PC holding the Shift key, grab all of those items, and pull them in. Now some of these only have a blank text file in them, but some do have folders as well as files in them. You could have all of your content, all of your subfolders, all of your files, and simply release them here. And that's complete. So I've pulled all of those in, but as you can see, these are subfolders at this point. So what I would want to do is select all of these items, go to my Move and Copy, and now I can select all files. I want to move all of these subfolders into the All Files view. So now I'll move those, and those have now become parent folders. Now I can delete this upload file because it's now empty. I'll highlight it, click delete, type the word delete, and confirm. And there's all of my folders, and they've got their content, and I'm ready to go.